No one watching this video right now was born and raised to be on the phone talking to strangers all day long. You didn't raise your hand in 3rd grade and tell everybody that your dream job was to be continuously rejected by strangers every single day. Let me tell you a secret. Everybody is afraid of getting on the phone. That's why if you master it, you are going to be without any competition. I am going to show you the top 3 ways, the 3 pieces of armor that you could wrap around yourself so that you can feel comfortable and confident going forward every single day and talking to people. Check this out. Hey everybody, it is Brent Daniels, and I want to talk about this because I think that this is really important. I think people are watching this channel. I think people are understanding. I think it goes into your ears, into your brain, and it makes sense. You say to yourself, talking to people, it makes sense, right? If I talk to enough people, I'm going to find opportunities in the real estate marketplace, and that's great, but something is stopping you, and typically what's stopping you is your fear of the phone. Hey, listen, I get it. The first time that I made calls, it took me 15 minutes to even dial the first number, and you know what I did? I hung up as soon as it rang. I'm serious. And then I walked around for 45 minutes, pumping myself up, putting on all this crazy music, getting all excited to like get into the right space to make a cold call, because I knew that if I just talked to enough people, I would be able to be successful. Okay? But let me tell you some of the things that I learned along the way. This is the #1 thing. Listen, there's a law, there's a universal law in our world, in our universe, called the law of cause and effect. The problem, the reason you have fear of picking up the phone and talking to people is because you're thinking all about the cause, right? You're not thinking about the effect part. I think everybody watching this will agree that you know, without a doubt, if you talk to enough distressed property owners, if you have enough quality conversations with distressed property owners, you will find a deal. You will find multiple deals. If you find one deal, you can find more deals. You can replicate and replicate and replicate. Can we agree on that? Let's all shake our heads. Yes. Okay, good. Listen, that's the effect. The effect is paying off all your debts. The effect is firing your boss. The effect is changing your family's financial future. That's the effect. But we're all worried about the cause part. We're all worried about the cause part because we didn't grow up learning that talking to strangers on the phone was a good thing or a comfortable thing or something that you can learn and be good at, right? It was something actually discouraged. We've got this mental block that says, don't talk to strangers. They might take advantage of you. Something bad might happen, right? And we're stuck in this space. Rejection. I don't want to be rejected. I don't want people to be mad at me. I don't want to interrupt people's day. I don't like interrupting people's day. All these things go through my head. They go through your head. It stops us because we're thinking about the cause. We're not thinking about the effect. The literal millions of dollars that you can make if you pick up the phone and have quality conversations. We're not thinking about the effect of helping somebody that can no longer take care of a property, that the property is just going down every single year. They can barely pay their property taxes or their mortgage. We're not thinking about their problems. We're thinking about how we're going to feel inside. Right? It's about cause and effect. Guys, focus on this. The #1 thing that I want you to do is stop calling it cold calling. Stop calling it cold calling. That's like the most negative term of all time. You hear cold calling and so many different images start popping up in your brain. You start thinking of some sort of like, you know, a boiler room type thing of people taking advantage of drinking coffee and smoking cigarettes and being, you know, these sleazy guys, right? Stop thinking of it as cold calling. Put it in your mind as something else. Maybe this is firing my boss time. Maybe this is lead generation. Maybe this labels make things. That's without a doubt. Labels make things. So if that's the case, what are you going to call it? What if it's my college fund for my children? What if it is traveling the world time? Right? Whatever it is, change it in your vocabulary from cold calling. Stop calling it cold calling. Make something that makes an impact on you that's positive. Cause and effect. Number 2, listen. There's the 3 P's when it comes to not making calls. One's procrastination, one's paralysis by analysis, and one's perfectionism. I've talked about it on this channel, but procrastination by far is the easiest one. I'm gonna do it some other time. I'm gonna make up for it on the weekend. I got these more important things, these higher priority things that I'm gonna do today instead of making these calls. Oh, distraction, oh, creative avoidance, oh, all these things stop us. That's procrastination. Paralysis by analysis. Stop it. Listen to me. If you have quality conversations with distressed property owners, you win. Stop analyzing and coming up with the next app that's going to get you distressed sellers to fall in your lap, and analyzing everything and trying to find out that secret formula, that silver bullet that you can shoot, and all of a sudden you're this wealthy, successful wholesaler real estate investor. It's not going to happen. And perfectionism, listen, I get it. You should practice. You should practice your skills. You should develop your skills. You should be practicing and developing your skills all the time so that you don't have to practice and develop them while you're live with somebody. Okay? I get that.
Let's go. All right, fine. Ring, ring. Hello? Hello, this is Dwight Schrute from the Dunder Mifflin Paper Company.
Wow, that's great, because I need paper.
But you don't have to be perfect. You don't have to know the response to everything. People are going to give you different crazy type of responses and objections. Yes, it's good to know the best ones. Yes, it's good to understand how to communicate and use your tone of voice, use your pacing and everything. But you don't have to be perfect to get started. Don't let it stop you, okay? Don't let it stop you. And the third one right here, and I love this one, and this is one that is probably the most difficult out of the 3 because you got to get somebody else to do this with you. You got to find another crazy proactive maniac in your marketplace, in your area, just anywhere in the world that's going to do this with you and compete with you. Okay? Start a competition. I am telling you, it is what raises up the game here. Start a competition with somebody. Who's going to make the most calls? Who's going to get the most leads? Who's going to get the most deals? Start a competition. I'm telling you, people will work more to like beat their buddy to a free beer or dinner or $10 than they will for, the $1 million that they're making. They want to win. They want to be winners.
Well, Dick, here's the deal. I'm the best there is, plain and simple. I mean, I wake up in the morning, I piss excellence, and nobody can hang with my stuff.
They want to win that competition. Find somebody that's going to do it with you and compete with them. See who can be the most consistent, who can talk to the most people and get the most leads. Guys, it comes down to cause and effect. Focus on the effect. Stop focusing on the cause. Watch out for the 3 P's. Procrastination, paralysis by analysis, and perfectionism, and compete with somebody. Get it exciting. Have fun with this. This doesn't have to be you sitting in your living room with all the lights off, with sweatpants on and a tank top, making calls, all sad. No, stand up, be alive, have fun with this. I'm telling you, you can have fun, you can be competitive, you can make this can be your central focus. You could really make an impact in your community if you just talk to people. I hope this inspires you. I hope that you use this. I hope this is the shield to protect you from all those crazy thoughts that are going to go through your heads, all those hallucinations that hit us every single day when we come up with these crazy ideas of why we are not going to be proactive. Listen, nobody likes the phone, but you're going to love what happens, the effect of what you get when you do it, okay? If you're looking to join the most proactive group in real estate investing, you know it. Go to wholesalinginc.com/TTP. Check it out. Check out the testimonials. They add every single day. You're going to have to scroll and scroll and scroll. Check out what the program's about. If it feels good in your gut, sign up for a call. It'll be the best call of your year. I look forward to working with you personally. If not, go out there, take action on this. You know I love you. TTP. See ya.